where UE has taken the first set against UP 25-14 as we take a look at the set 1 highlights.
Well, UP obviously they did not play up to par. We've seen them play again. I keep mentioning that. We've seen them play. They played against each other. They played better. I mean, Bersola had a lot of blocks in that first game where they won. But today, they're actually very quiet, very tentative. They're committed a lot of miscues. While UE, on the other hand, looking very good. Lucette Dawes, their veteran, leading them, and all around, people like Cavara played well, Masangkay, good set. So UE easily won that first set.
Playing with a lot of confidence right now, and they're playing with a leader. Lucette Dawes finally communicating, leading by example. As you can see right here, a dominating performance on the attack points, 14-8.
A dominating performance in all categories.
Actually.
Sama mo na yung unforced errors. They committed 2 more. But yeah, UE, in all aspects, they've been playing very well. It's a good sign for Coach Boy.
Maraming salamat muli at Kung Hei Fat Choi sa lahat ng mga nakatutok ngayon sa Studio 23. Anton Rojas alongside Doreen Go. We also have Bea Fabregas and Kat Sala reporting for UP and UE respectively.
That's right.
Following this contest, we also have Adamson and FEU.
Yeah, I was just about to say, welcome to the year of the snake.
The thing is, who will play the role of the snake in that very, very tight race to the Final Four? Who will miss the bus?
Yeah, that's right. I was talking to Direct Abbott about it. We had our specific Final Fours going in. It's still in the first round, and then as we talk, something's changing, and until now we can't even decide. That's the quality of this season for
UP. Point for UP. Score.
Take a look at this right here. Tew getting denied. Coverage unable to keep that rally going. Bersola. That's what we were looking for in the first set. Some quick attacks. And perhaps even some running spikes.
That's right. And again, that was because of a good reception, which was not there in the first set. So Se was silent, Bersola was silent. So UP, if they want to at least win this set, they have to really focus on their defense.
Masangkay, back set. Off speed, Geyser pops it up. Magtala sets it up for Tew. Masangkay tosses it for the open hit. Nobody was there,
for the
though.
libero.
The set now is going cross court. Guys are working hard today. Masangkay. Dawes, power tip. Magtalas was there though.
Oh, free ball. Whoa.
Longest rally of the match so far. Bersola nearly ends it with a quick attack.
Sorry, Air, because you were saying Geyser has been digging very well for UP.
Napagod na siguro.
You can see, si Dawes really, even if the set's alanganin, she's gonna make do with it. Right? Tip, a power tip over, but you can see a different Dawes today.
This is the type of leader the Lady Warriors need. The captain, Lucette Dawes. Nebrida. Bersola was there at the top of the net. Bulan again. Oh, bit in. The drop ball attempt from the back row comes up way short.
Way short. It's like she's in front. Ano siyang nasa front line. But that's still, with that error, it's a good sign because Masangkay obviously really trying out different sets, going to Dawes, going to Bulan at the back. So you can see how mature they have become as compared to that first match against the same team.
Not going exclusively to Bulan or exclusively to Dawes. She's showing some variety, talking about UE setter Grace Masangkay. Who will she go to now? She's a Nebrida. Goes long though.
I was telling you earlier, Nebrida has talent. We know that. She's athletic. But she has to check her consistency. Yun lang eh, because she can leap, she can hit, obviously, but you know, when it comes to crunch time and they said it to her, she's like 50-50.
And in the first round meeting, she was nowhere to be found. Only 4 points for the Lady Warriors. They badly needed her in that game. Dawis had 10 in that first round matchup. Bulan top scored for UE with 17. Masangkay, back set, Guevara. The double block was there, but it came through.
That's another good set by Masangkay. You can see perfect set. And Guevara playing inspired volleyball today.
Masangkay distributing the ball very well. Set.
Finally.
Yes,
and
finally is the word. Quick attack.
You can see that's really a good set. All the blockers slow to react because they weren't in the first set. They didn't have to block any quick attacks, so no blockers went up.
Brita going down the line. Let's take a look at it one more time. Masangkay goes for that back set.
Wow. Threading the needle there. But you know what? Obviously, Masangkay very comfortable giving that back set. No, she has been going to
Yes.
that. Another one.
Guevara targets the back row corner. Ong. That one looked like it was all the way out.
So again, no, for those who want to play volleyball, that's something not to do. You don't jump and then, you know, jump in your hand sideways. Try to stay on the ground. Obviously, if it's over your head, that's out.
And it was actually Brita who committed that error. But her team is still on top as Faith Bulan gets that last point. 8-5 now. UE leads UP.